I'm in Scotland and I'm at the Scottish Parliament in Edinburgh.
It's not a family history video, but it's just interesting to see another part of Edinburgh.
That's the new Parliament building there, with some rocks coming out of it for some reason. They are a bit like claws, aren't they? Claws coming out the side of the building. Is that what they're supposed to be? There's sort of a random ladder thing here as well, don't know what that is. And a little etched in diagram of something. Oh wow! Gosh, we're at the edge of the city, but there's beautiful green hills right next door to Holyrood and the Parliament. That's lovely. The Scottish Parliament public entrance is over here. Automatic doors. So I'm in the Parliament building. It's just after 10 o'clock and they've only just opened. I can see outside over there. I was not planning on coming here at all, so it's quite exciting. Oh. Oh, it's like Ludo. And there's a talk at 11 that I'm going to have a little listen to. The committee rooms are that way, apparently. I'm on the ground floor here. Debating chamber is on level 2, but I don't know if you can go up there or not. It looks like I can. Oh, is that the exhibition to the lines about women? Is it this? It is this. A collection of 100 handwritten sentences made of porcelain celebrating the roles and contributions of women to many areas of life in Scotland. So they must have taken it from the original writing and then changed it. I'd like to know. I wonder what women are involved in that. That'd be interesting to find out about.
And when I got home, I did find out more about it. Travelling the Distance was created in porcelain by Shauna McMullan in 2006. The artist went on a journey across Scotland and she asked 100 women to write about another woman who they thought had made a significant contribution to Scotland. When she finished speaking to one woman, she asked for a referral to another and she went to visit them until the journey ended with the 100th woman that she spoke to. Every woman wrote a sentence about an inspirational woman in Scotland, and then the sentences were created into the porcelain lines that you see in the artwork. There's links in the description below to a podcast and also a video talking a bit more about it. I've been able to find the names of the 100 women who were written about, but I don't know the 100 women who were interviewed, and it's their stories that would be really interesting for future family history if we knew who they were and how they came to be on Shauna McMullan's journey and where in Scotland they were when they wrote the sentences.
What happens in the debating chamber? Not this way, apparently. It's very quiet, so I don't imagine anything is happening in the debating chamber, but it's just up the stairs. Up those stairs here. Oh, wow. It's amazing. But yeah, what a great space. That was actually very exciting. Isn't it sad that I thought that was exciting, but it was. And so that's my time over at the Scottish Parliament. It was so interesting, and also interesting, the word that actually I pronounce as Alba is actually in Gaelic is pronounced Alpa, with a P, Alpa, which I didn't know. And I've got my little phrase book here from the Parliament, which is a selection of Gaelic words and phrases. Good morning is Matinva. Matinva. I think the stress must be the bold, is it? I don't know. That's the best I can do.
You can continue the story with the next edited episode. Or watch the full unedited and uncut version of this episode. Or what about watching this new family history story? Click here to subscribe to the channel to find out about all future episodes. Thanks for watching.